I'm gonna change the oil on this 2017 Dodge Caravan, but first I'm gonna put it on this Rams, and because I'm by myself, I'm gonna try to do it carefully without outrunning the Rams. I hope I can stop before it's too late. I've done it before, but I have always had someone to tell me to stop. So I'm gonna try to do it by myself. Let me see. Okay. The thing about these ramps is that if you stop in the middle, you go back. Okay, I did it. It was easier than I thought. So now I'm gonna put the brakes, and I'm gonna drain the oil. For that, I'm gonna get a drop cloth, and then I'm gonna use a pan. I'm gonna show you. Now we are under the vehicle, and this is the nut that we're gonna remove. Let me see. We need a 16 millimeter socket. Remember, this is a 2017 Dodge Caravan, and let me hold my phone with the other hand, and I'm gonna start removing it. Remember that you need a oil pan, so don't forget about it. We're gonna remove. Okay, now it's loose. It wasn't really tight, so if you want to turn it and kind of hold it a little bit until you see the oil coming up, because you don't want to put any oil on your driveway. There you go. So we're gonna let it drain like that. Don't forget to unplug this one cap, because if you close it, it won't let the air in, so it will overflow the oil pan. So it'll drain for a minute, and after it's done, we're gonna put the plug back in. We're gonna let it drain. Now we're gonna remove the oil filter, and I don't know if you can see it, but it's right here. So we're gonna remove this part so we can have better access. I have removed it before like that, but this time I'm gonna remove this. Sometimes it's a little tight, but, and also this hose we're gonna remove. And just like that, we have better access. See that filter? Okay. For that filter, we're gonna need a 1-inch socket, and this is I think it's 1/2-inch ratchet. So a few turns. this is our filter, and then I'm gonna put the new one on and put it back in place. This is my new filter. I'm gonna put it on just the way I removed the other one. You press it down a little bit and it clicks, stays in place, and then we're gonna stick it in there, do a few turns, and then we're gonna tighten it up. Not a whole lot, but just enough. When you feel that it doesn't turn as easy, you just stop like that. That's it for the filter. And then let me put the old filter in the box. Clean up this, and we put this one back. Also, don't forget this hose, like that, and use the same screwdriver to tighten it up. And that's it for the filter. As easy as 1, 2, 3. We're gonna put 5-quart synthetic blend. I was looking for full synthetic, but they didn't have enough for me to get for this vehicle, so I went with synthetic blend. So I'm gonna pour it and I'm gonna show you how. Okay, so I think it's just 5 quarts that this vehicle needs. So we're gonna start pouring. Just go slow because sometimes the funnel overflows. If you want to make sure that you have enough oil, just start the engine, let it run for a minute, and then let it sit for 5-10 minutes, and then check the oil. And if you need some more, just add some more. We are almost done. I usually change the oil every 2-3 months, depending on how many miles I drive. But this kind of oil is good for 3,000, 5,000 miles. I've heard that some full synthetic is good for 10,000 miles. But you can, check your oil levels or how good or bad the oil looks and make a judgment. Okay, so we just put the oil cap back in place, and that's it for putting our oil. We just changed the oil on this 2017 Dodge Caravan, and I'm going to show you the message still there. I'm going to show you how to reset it. See the little oil container, then change oil message is there. So I'm going to show you how to reset it. First, you have to put it like in the on position without cranking the engine, and then you press the pedal, the gas pedal, 3 times, and then you turn off the key. Now that we have done the trick, we're gonna turn it on, and the message is gone. So this is for changing the oil and also resetting the message.